MEXC Review 2024. Features, fees, security and more. MEXC Global is rapidly gaining popularity in the crypto exchange market, known for its extensive list of altcoins, user-friendly features, competitive fees, and solid security protocols. In this review, we'll explore the key features, fee structure, security measures, and unique benefits MEXC brings to the table, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned crypto traders. Key features of MEXC Exchange. Extensive coin listings. MEXC supports a broad range of cryptocurrencies, including popular coins and newly launched altcoins, making it easy to diversify your portfolio. The platform continuously adds new assets, giving users access to trending projects and promising investments. User-friendly interface. MEXC's interface is designed to accommodate traders of all levels. Whether you're just starting or have years of experience, the platform offers a smooth and intuitive experience. With the MEXC mobile app, users can also trade conveniently on the go. Advanced trading tools. MEXC provides advanced trading tools such as spot trading, futures contracts, and leveraged ETFs. This variety of options empowers traders to apply different strategies, from simple buying and holding to complex leverage plays. Staking and earning programs. The exchange offers various passive income options, including staking, M-Day, token sales, and Kickstarter events, which allow users to participate in early-stage projects. These opportunities make MEXC a great platform for those looking to maximize their crypto earnings. Global accessibility. MEXC operates in multiple languages and is available in over 100 countries, making it accessible to a diverse global audience. MEXC's fee structure is one of the most competitive in the industry. Spot trading fees start at 0.2% for both makers and takers. These fees can be further reduced by holding the platform's native token, MEXC, and participating in loyalty programs. Additionally, MEXC offers periodic fee discounts, making trading on the platform even more cost-effective. MEXC employs industry-standard security practices to protect user assets. This includes cold storage for the majority of funds, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and anti-phishing measures to safeguard against unauthorized access. The platform has a proven track record with no major security breaches to date, highlighting its commitment to user safety. Customer support. MEXC provides 24/7 customer support, with live chat and email options. It also maintains an extensive help center with FAQs and guides, ensuring users can easily find answers to common questions or resolve issues quickly. Is MEXC right for you? With its diverse features, competitive fees, and focus on security, MEXC is an excellent choice for crypto enthusiasts at all levels. From traders looking for advanced tools to investors seeking passive income opportunities, MEXC offers a complete package in a single platform. At channel name ready to start trading? Sign up using the link in the description and comments below to begin your journey with MEXC today and enjoy the benefits of one of the fastest growing exchanges in the crypto world.